Your best customer pays on the 3rd of every month, like clockwork. But the internet expires on the 1st. So every month, same story. 2 days of angry calls, you reconnecting them by hand. And if they buy again on the 3rd, their next due date quietly shifts to the 3rd, then the 5th, then the 8th. You used to choose between cutting them off or giving away free days. Not anymore. Free ISP now has a grace period for your PPPoE and static customers. Pick 1 to 7 days, and when a customer's plan expires, they stay online for those extra days while they sort out the payment. Here's the clever part. When they pay inside the grace period, the new expiry is counted from the original due date, not the day they paid. Due on the 1st, paid on the 3rd, still due on the 1st next month. The due date never shifts, and nobody earns free days by paying late. If the grace period ends and they will have not paid, they are disconnected exactly as before. And this is for your PPPoE and static customers only. Hotspot packages are not touched. You also see everything. A new grace period users page shows everyone currently in their grace window, the original due date, which grace day they are on, and when they will be cut off. And every grace decision is written to your log history, so you always know why an expiry landed on a given date. Here's how. Go to settings, then app settings, and find grace period. Pick your days 1, 2, 3, up to 7 and save. This is it. From then on, check activation, then grace period users to see who is riding their extra days. It is off by default, so nothing changes until you switch it on. Give your loyal customers room to pay.